First, go to admin.vsight.io and log in with your admin credentials. In the main dashboard, you will see some statistics, such as number of users, rooms, sessions, and total time of all sessions. Below, you can review the usage in the last 30 days, review last sessions, rooms, and users. Under Rooms section, you can create new or modify settings for existing rooms. Under Users, you can create new users or change settings for existing ones. Under Sessions, you can view information about each session in detail and send session export to anyone. In case you are using ticketing system, under Tickets, you can review created tickets or create new ones. Under Storage, you can check how much space you have for video recordings. With Settings, you can do general adjustments for your account, such as set rules for video recordings, modify weekly usage report recipient lists, change time zones, password policy, contact information, and review hardware and software requirements. If you are not sure how many experts you have or when is your account expiring, you can always check that under License.